Hi guys, I want to show you this space heater that I have here. This has some pretty cool functions. You can turn it on, and if it gets bumped into by a pet or a child, it automatically turns off. So I love that safety feature. It also has a 3-hour timer. So after 3 hours, it turns off by itself. Also a great safety feature, especially if you want to turn it on to heat it up at night and maybe you fall asleep, forget to turn it off. It just turns itself off on its own. So great features. This lets off some heat immediately when you turn it on. It just takes a few seconds and it is already very hot. You can turn on the rotating feature, so it will rotate 60 degrees back and forth. And you can set it for 30, 60, 90, or 120 minutes. Or again, it turns off after 3 hours all by itself. So it has this grate on here. It's tall and slim. You can fit it in a smaller space. It's really nice for putting outside on your patio, sitting around with your family or friends and getting some warmth. So I'll turn it on and it glows red. And it's hot. I can feel it already. It is just immediate. And then you can turn on the rotating feature and it will just go back and forth to warm up a wider area. So it's getting cooler outside. We still want to be able to sit outside and enjoy the outdoors. So this is a great solution. It has a handle on top so you can move it around with you, very portable. So let's take it outside and try it out.